Can you live without rice? What is it about rice that makes us Filipinos go crazy? What happens if the world runs out of rice? Were there times that, like, for example, it's in the middle of the night? Let's say 1 a.m. like that, or 2 p.m., and all of a sudden you got hungry and you were thinking about rice.
Yeah, kind of.
And what will you do?
I will cook.
Can you live without rice?
For me, no po. Kasi usually we are Filipino uses rice as breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we cannot live without rice.
It's like our favorite, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you? Can you live without rice, pe?
No po. Kasi ano, para sa akin hindi ako mabubuhay ng walang pagkain kasi kailangan ko everyday.
Oh, she said she can't live without rice because she needs it. It's like we need it,
Yeah.
right? It's not like we want it, but we need it.
Everyday life.
Because of rice?
Yeah.
I like that. She said she survives in everyday life because of the rice. That's good. Okay. What happens if the world runs out of rice?
I think it's probably we're all gonna die.
we're gonna go like that?
Yeah.
How about you, babe? What will happen?
Mamamatay po.
The same thing. We're gonna all die. How about those who doesn't eat rice? Do you think they will still survive?
Yes, sa ano? Ano po, iinom lang sila ng water para survive sila.
She said they just have to drink water to survive. Okay. Anyway, how many times a day do you think about rice?
I think it's 3 times a day.
3 times a day you think about it.
Mm.
And you, how many times?
3 times a day po.
I think you're just copying her. But 3 times a day you're thinking. Okay. Okay. How many times do you eat rice?
3 times a day, but sometimes it is 4 because you know what the puto, because it made of rice.
It's like it looks like a cupcake, but it's made of rice. We call it puto. It's soft. It's very beautiful. I mean, it tastes really good, and it has cheese on top, right?
Yeah.
Puto.
And it
The
also
best.
has different flavors for us Filipino to choose of what is the best taste suit for us.
Yes. It has ube, pandan. Sometimes the white
Yeah.
like that one.
And sometimes they're putting some leche plan.
Oh yes, yes. Oh my goodness, that's new one. I
Yeah.
love that. You are a real Filipina. Okay. Anyway, um, what do you call this? What is it about rice that makes us Filipinos go crazy?
Rice.
Ano bang igwa sa kanin niya parang nabubuak kita about it? Like a lot of us, we go crazy about rice. Ano bang igwa sa maluto?
Carbohydrates because it's source of energy.
Okay, and no comment. She's very shy, guys. Do you have boyfriends?
No.
You're both singles?
Because we're enjoying our life as a youth.
Oh, you're enjoying your life. You look so pretty, like tall, dark, beautiful Filipina.
Because that's what Filipina has, a unique beauty. Even its tan is still standing as beautiful, elegant woman.
How many times a day do you think about rice?
Depende po, like sometimes lang 'pag 'pag gutom na gutom.
She said it depends. Sometimes when she's hungry, that's when she thinks about rice. And how about you?
Para pong half po. Half.
What do you mean half half?
In one day po, I eat lang a lunch, but dinner.
Oh, like for example, you will eat rice, lunch, dinner. You won't eat that one. Oh, so you're not someone like me. You know me. I eat rice in the morning for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Like I eat a lot. Yes, I eat it. So you're not like that, right? Oh, no, right?
Yes po.
How about you, Be? Do you eat like me, like breakfast, lunch?
Yes.
So,
Like my parents are ano po, like strict. Like, we need to ano po, like gather up when it's time to eat. Like
I love that. Oh my goodness, I love that. So
And like they will get mad po kasi pag I'm not in the table.
They will get mad if you are not in the table. So when it's dinner time, lunchtime, breakfast time, you supposed or you should be there in front of the table eating with the family. Yes. I love that. I really love that. Yes. I think most of us do that, right? You too, right?
Yes po.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. For the last question, um what is it about rice that makes us Filipinos go crazy? Ano ba ang igwa sa rice na, yata, na parang nababaliw kita? Like, we needed it like that.
I think po because rice has multiple nutrients po din. And it's also one of our tradition as a Filipino na every time we eat, we used to eat rice because it's our like it's the main dish po. Or yeah, like pag kumakain po kita every time we use rice as our parang ano po um to boost our energy. Parang ano,
To boost our energy, yes. And it goes with everything, right?
yes,
It's like vegetables. What else?
like adobo.
Oh my God. Adobo, yes, me too.
Yes.
What kind of adobo? Chicken or pork?
Pork.
Yes, especially if the pork is getting like oily. Like, oh my God, that's so good. And if there's a chara beside it, OMG, be. That's my even my husband loves adobo. So how about you, be? What do you call this? What is it about rice that makes us Filipinos go crazy?
When we eat po kasi a rice, it gives a energy.
She said that already. What else? What else? What is it about rice that we go crazy about it?
Delicious.
It's delicious. That's very Filipino. Delicious. Very Filipino. Okay, it's very delicious. Just like what I said earlier, rice is life, right? For a lot of Filipinos, rice is life. Can you live without rice?
For me, no, because I'm used to eating rice. So and it's also a part of our culture as a Filipino. So no, I
That's
think I
true.
can't live without rice.
Same. Now, what will happen? What will happens if the world runs out of rice?
I think at first I'll be like it's crazy. Like what? Because I'm used to eating rice, 'di ba? So at first uh it will be hard for me to adjust to the new environment, to the new food.
True.
Pero as time pass by, I think I will be kind of used to it. I think bread is a good alternative of rice.
Bread or pasta, right?
Bread or pasta.
Do you eat pasta as well?
Yes. Spaghetti.
Oh, yes. Jollibee.
Oh,
Jollibee.
Jollibee spaghetti.
Like the best.
Yes, sweet spaghetti.
True. Were there times that, like, for example, it's in the middle of the night? Let's say 1 a.m. like that, or 2 p.m. and all of a sudden you got hungry and you were thinking about rice.
Yeah, kind of.
And what will you do?
I will cook.
Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Also, thank you for watching and take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflections